Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can edit text and set the text character and line spacing. So after watching this video, you will be able to edit the text of any of your website and you can set the character line spacing on your own. So let's get started. So here I have added a text. So if you click on edit, so there are two options you can edit. So this is the most common way, and if you click on edit text, this is the another way. So if you go below, scroll below, and here you can see there is an option which you want to click, and here this option opens. So here as you can see the character spacing is set at 0. So if we click on 2, enter, this is how it will have the effect. So if you again rewind it, again edit the image text, so it is again to 0. So if you click on 2, so I think the 2 is the last option. If you set it to 1, this is how it will look. So I can we can try to give it 4. It is taking 3. Let's try 6. It is taking 3. So again add a 0, and this was about the character spacing. So now we will move towards line spacing option. So after the character spacing option, there is a line spacing option. In this line spacing option, there are two options: automatic or custom. So if you click on automatic, it will automatically take the line spacing. But if you click on custom, if you want it to use spacing on what you want, then you can click on customs. If you don't want to give it manually and want it to or a text to align and give the line spacing on itself, then you can always or you can choose on automatic. So for now I will show you how you can do it in custom and manual way. So I have click on custom. So if you increase the line spacing, here is how it is applying or implementing the effect. So we have set it to 3, and again if you can decrease this is how it is implementing the effect. So you can either do it like this, or you can just simply add here and will apply the changes. So here is how you can apply the changes for line spacing, whichever it is, like automatic or custom, or the character spacing. You can do it in text box as well as paragraph. In upcoming video I will show you how you can do it for paragraph or any other text. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos.